You are welcome to Learning and Earning series with Tyropo's IQ. Today we are asked to find n in what? N raised to power 2n plus n raised to power n equals to what? 756. So I have my solution here. So the question is what? N raised to power 2n plus n raised to power n is equals to what? 756. So it means that we can also write this as what? N raised to power n2 plus what? N squared is equals to what? 756. Why did I change 2n to what? N2. In mathematics, when we have 3 times 2 is 6 and 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 2 is 6. Now, what next? I'll now say let my n raised to power n to be equals to b or any letter. Then from there, in place of this, I'm going to put what? B squared plus ordinary b is equals to what? 756. You can see it's forming a quadratic equation. All I want to do, I'll now say b squared plus b minus 756 is equals to what? 0. From here, I'm going to look for two numbers that when I add, I'm going to have what? B. And when I multiply, I'm going to get what? Minus 756 b squared. So I will say, let the number should be what? 28b minus 27b minus 756 equals to 0. From here, what did I have in common? I can decide to say b squared plus 28b close bracket minus 27b and a close bracket minus 756b equals to 0. Now both of them have bb. I'm going to factor b out, then I'll put b inside. Then I have what? Plus 28. Then I can have what it can go into. Yes, 27 can go into 756. I'm going to factor minus 27 out and put b. Then minus 27 divided by minus 756. We are going to have what? Plus 28 equals to 0. At this point, I can decide to pick b minus 27. That is this b minus 27. And I'll now pick b plus 28 is equals to 0. At this side, I can say b minus 27 is equals to 0, or b plus 28 is equals to 0. I can say b is equals to what? 0 plus 27, or b is equals to what? 0 minus 28. Then b is equals to what? 27, or b is equals to what? Minus 28. Remember, we are not asked to find the value of b, or we are asked to find the value of n. But we say, let n raised to power n is equals to what? B. Now we have the value of b to be 27. Then n raised to power n is equals to what? 27. Remember, we can write 27 as 3 raised to power 3. Okay? It means that if our 27 is equals to 3 raised to power 3, then 3 raised to power 3 is equals to what? 3 raised to power 3. Therefore, our n is equals to 3. Why? Since 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 will give us 27. And when you put the value of n equals to 3 here, and you add everything at the end, you are going to get what? 756. This is a simple way of solving this question. You know you understand this solving or tutorial, please subscribe to my channel or follow it for more tutorial like this.